These are huge.
Look at
These could kill a man.
Really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, with this, the way they fall, how slowly they fall.
Snowday! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna wear my shoes.
You know they're big when you have to chew them.
Holy cow, did you see that one? Look at this. What's one snowflake?
It's like a snowball.
It is a snow. Alright, I want to make
Oh my
I
gosh!
want to make a snowball. Ow!
Whoa!
It's so cold.
Whoa!
Okay, ready?
Whoa! Oh!
John got a snowball right in the face.
Look at this.
Right in the
I'm
forehead.
making a snowball with snowflakes.
Just look right there.
Oh boy, there.
Don't get hit. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. You can like see it.
Here, Mom, let me see.
No, I don't want my camera wet. Just... It's okay.
Where'd it go?
Nice.
Oh, it just went down my shirt.
It's not even cold. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, it is. I'm freezing. You guys have your coats on. I don't have any shoes. He just got one in his mouth.
I don't think I can open my mouth wide enough. I look out and it comes right in my eye. Get out of here.